How's it going, you guys? Happy Easter if you're watching this on Easter. I'm not sure if this is going to go up today, but today is Easter as I'm filming this, and I wanted to show you this quick nail tutorial that I did. Very spring. I didn't really want to do Easter nails per se, but you know, this still is within the season. Before I get started, I want to ask if you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm going to be using a combination of the House of Light collection and the limited edition Easter egg collection from Madame Glam. I do have a discount code with them if you're interested in shopping. I will have it here on the screen for you, and I will put it in the description below, or you can just click my link and it will automatically apply it to your purchase. This set is going to be super easy. It's a little bit time consuming, but easy otherwise. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Spring Bloom and I'm going to use that on each nail in conjunction with another color. I'm using this Modelones Blooming Gel and I'm putting a thin coat on each nail, but I'm not curing it. And then once I have that blooming gel on, I'm just going to place Spring Bloom wherever I feel like it, and then the color of my choice for that nail. And this is pretty much like drag art if you've seen those. So this is super easy because there is no like technique to this. You're just gonna place your colors wherever, and then you're just gonna make whatever design you wanted. All I did was a simple zigzag and it came out looking marbled, so I really like the way it looked. So when I was doing each nail, after I finished the nail, I didn't cure it right away. I let it sit so that way it had time to bloom, and I continued on with the other nails as it was blooming. But whenever I felt like I liked the way it was, I went ahead and I took a lint-free wipe and I placed it against the side of the nail to absorb any extra product, and this also helps it to just bloom a little bit more. And then once I like the way it looks, I put it in the lamp and I cure it for 60 seconds. And so that is what I did for all 5 nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let the rest of this play out, and I will be back once we move on to the next step. I decided I wanted to mattify these nails. So I took the Madame Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat and I applied a thin layer to each nail, and cured that for 60 seconds. And I got these stickers from Shein. It's like a huge pack of stickers. So I just decided to kind of do like a border for each nail, just doing a different style. So I just did 3 of the nails here on camera, and I completed the other 2 off camera. Once I finished that, I decided to go in with these really trendy flower charms that I got from Shein. And when I placed these, I had no idea they were color changing, so after I cured the first one and it came out the light, I was definitely surprised, but I just continued with it. Otherwise, I thought it was kind of cool anyways. The flowers actually had exact matching colors to each of the polishes that I used, and then I had to take another color from a different set that I also got from Shein, but this one didn't change colors, and that was the blue one. I just placed them however I liked it on the nail. Very simple, you can do whatever you like. Cured that for 60 seconds. I'm using the McCart rhinestone glue. But that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this nail set. I think it is so pretty, and I honestly was super stumped on what I was gonna do, but I'm happy with the way that this came out. I think it's so pretty. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as always. If you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.